Sometimes I just can't show them hello. It's like I need to tell someone, anyone who listen, and that's why I sing to myself. Yeah, I forget about the consequences, or the minute that I lose my senses. In the heat of the moment, my mouth has flowing, the words are flowing. Oh, but I never meant to hurt you. I know it's time that I loved you. Treat the people alone like I wanna be loved. This is innocent love, and I hate it and let you down. And I feel so bad. I guess it comes back around. It's not always good again. And I hate it and let you think that the trust we had is broken. So don't tell me again, forgive me. Kept it between us, but when I entered the whole world, how just split it, ooh, so I sit and I realize, with these tears full from my eyes, I've gotta change if I wanna keep you forever. I promise it's gonna be try, but I never meant to hurt you. I know it's time that I loved you. Treating people alone like I wanna be. No, no, no.